Jiangsu Haitel Machinery Company, Limited, established in 1997. Is a professional snack food processing equipment manufacturer. Engaged in the research, development, production, sell and service of automatic candy, chocolate, wafer stick, cereal bars, potato chips, rice cereal, and other food processing and packing machinery, mask machines. We are located in Dongtai City, Jiangsu Province, with convenient transportation access. We have a professional team with strong technical and R&D knowledge to develop advanced food equipment to cope with market competition. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including a CNC engraving machine, etc. In addition, we have passed ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certifications. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as South America, Southeast Asia, Africa, the Middle East, Northern Europe, and Southern Asia. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Quality and honesty are our foundation. Customer satisfaction is our job. To get a win-win situation is our main target. We always focus on improving our quality. And we have a professional after-sales service team with rich experience in machine installation and commissioning. We believe our quality and service will bring success to each customer. Our goal is to make quality products to meet client needs. We provide a quality product with competitive price and service, which has been our continuous efforts for now and the future.